Hi folks, it's Mark again at MCCHQ. I think it was yesterday we did a live and a few people were asking about what was the best thing for cleaning windows. So on the live I mentioned Knuckle duster, which is mostly IPA, which is surgical spirit, medical grade. So it's for sterilising your hands. But it works wonders on all kinds of things, like you can clean your mobile phone with it, monitors, TVs, anything glass. Great for anything like that. So yeah, I thought I'd do a quick video. I've just noticed as well this one's getting quite low. This is one we use. So we do what we call the refill, which comes with a flip top lid on it, which you can still use when you're out and about. That's why it's made in this small size, so it'll slip in your pocket or your handbag while you're out. But if you want to clean grab handles on shopping trolleys, door handles, anything like that that you're touching, you can give it a clean down with this before you touch it. So I'm just going to swap the spray lid over. There we go, recharged again. There's a little bit left in there, I'll use that for something. Yeah, so if I'm sterilising my hands, which is predominantly what this was made for, hand sanitiser, I usually just give it about 5 sprays. It's more than enough. Rub it in. So I've now got nice sterilised hands ready for cleaning the window. Sound like George Formby, don't I? Yeah, so a lot of people say use newspaper, things like that on glass or mirrors to get them clean. I think the secret is to use anything that's dry, because if it's wet it tends to just smear. I prefer to use tissue, because if there's any like little tiny bits of grease on there or anything like that, the tissue will absorb that better than newspaper. Yeah, so it couldn't be easier. Hopefully you can see this well. Just a few sprays on. Might look a lot, but you're not actually using a lot, because like all our stuff, a little goes a long way. Just wipe it down. We do have to clean these windows quite often because of our proximity to the road out there that you can probably see. But, yeah, we do get quite mucky even on the inside. I can see it now. So it's got most of the dirt off, I think. It's actually very warm in here today. The other thing you could do is spray it onto the tissue or the cloth that you're using, but I don't know if you can see that. That's all the grime it's took off. Just a case of polishing now. Anything tissue-like I think is best. Or a clean dry cloth. It's just as good I suppose, but I do think the tissue is slightly better. It's just quicker. With the cloth you have to rub it more. It's always hard to see with glass in here. You have to, certainly my height, I have to get down and see that I've got everything. of the all what you'd call windowline or stuff like that, the window cleaners, were very similar. They used petroleum spirit, and they put like a very fine chalk in with it to grind to help to clean. But I don't think that's necessary really. I think a lot of the modern ones don't bother with that. Some more tissue. So this is quite similar. It's a hydrocarbon, an alcohol, which evaporates. But there's no paste in there, so it won't streak in that way. And it does lift the grease. It's quite a big window, this one. I'd call that done. It's difficult to see. So it's more or less done that. I don't get up a lot these days either, that predominantly because of the airflow and everything, they put radiators under the windows, and that tends to take all the crap basically and put it onto your window where it's cold. It'll settle on there. So if there's anything on the radiator, grease from your fingers or anything, it'll evaporate off there and go on your window. Put our picture back now. Move your rubbish. So yeah, that's it. Simple as. Nice clean window. I'll go and do the outside now, so hopefully you can see it really clean. Okay.
Hi, Becky here. So Mark's just gone outside and he's going to clean the outside of the windows. I should get him to do videos more often. Perhaps we should do one from home as well. So he's using Knuckle duster and he's giving it just a light spray all over the window, and literally all he's using again outside is just tissue, and this is how simple it is. It really does make life so very easy. Who thought cleaning windows could actually be this simple? You can see on the tissue as Mark's doing it the amount of dirt that it's lifting off. You can see in the background we're right by a main road, so these windows do get quite dirty. It wasn't that long ago that we did them. So yeah, look at that. So for us really, we do need kind of like a quick and easy foolproof method to be able to keep our windows clean, because obviously it does reflect on the business when people are pulling up or driving past. We do like it to look pristine. So yeah, I can't believe how mucky they've got since the last time they were done really. But that's how simple it is. You can see it's not taking an awful lot of effort to go over them. It's not having to go out with buckets of water. Which then takes forever and you have to go back out with a chamois and stuff. And there you go, one nice clean window.
Yeah, so there you go. Knuckle duster, not only for sterilising hands and objects, especially in these COVID times, but Also good for cleaning your windows. And what I'll do is try and move you in closer now and see if you can see how clean it is without shaking the camera too much. The sun's just come out. There you go, that looks fairly clean to me. Didn't take long. Yeah, so there you have it. Knuckle Duster, a great window cleaner among other things. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon for more handy tips. Alright, thanks guys.